Students, let's discuss exercise 13.3. First sum. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. Actually, here given the solid sphere. Okay, the solid sphere they melted and recast into cylinder. So that means the volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Both volumes are equal. At the same time, here given the radius of the sphere is 4.2 centimeter and given that cylinder radius of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. Here we need to find out the height of the cylinder. At the same time, we know that the volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder because the sphere only melted into cylinder. So we know that what is the formula for volume of sphere? 4 pi 3 pi r cube, that is pi r1. And the next volume of cylinder pi r2 square h. Okay, so the radius are different and we know the radius, so substitute here 4.2 the whole cube, and the radius of the cylinder also we know that, substitute here 6 square. At the same time, we know that the left hand side pi and right hand side pi both also will be cancelled. Okay, if you transpose to left hand side, see this pi will be cancelled. Okay, so directly we can cancel these two pi, and then that 6 square is 36. Just transpose to left hand side because we need to find out height. If we transpose to left hand side, that will be 36. Okay, then simplify 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 36. Okay, so 36 and 4 we can simplify. 1 times this is 9 times, then again this 3 and we can simplify that 4.2, it will be 1.4 and again 9 and 4.2 we can simplify, so we will get 1.4 and 3, then again 3 and 4.2 we can simplify, so we will be get 1.4. Okay, so h is equal to 1.4 whole cube. So 1.4 whole cube, the answer is 2.74 centimeter. Okay, or else you can simplify and directly multiply. So hence the height of the cylinder will be 2.74 centimeter. Actually in this question, that solid sphere melted into solid cylinder. Okay, so they used the same kind of materials, so the volumes also equal. I hope you all understood this sum. Students, let's discuss exercise 13.3 second sum. A metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Actually, I've given that metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay, so the three spheres melted into one solid sphere. Okay, so the volume of three spheres is equal to volume of one sphere. Then we need to find out the radius of new sphere. Okay, so the radius are given. So already we know that the volume of three spheres is equal to volume of that resulting new sphere. Both volumes are equal. So we know the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is formula for volume of sphere. Actually here three spheres are there. Okay, so 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. Okay, so directly we can write 4 by 3 pi of r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then substitute the values here. 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. Here 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 will be cancelled, and pi also cancel. Okay, then find 6 cube. 6 cube is 216, 8 cube is 512, 10 cube is 1000. If we added these, all the values will be get 1728. So R cube equal to 1728. Then R equal to cube root of 1728. Cube root of 1728 is 12 centimeter. So therefore the radius of the sphere so formed will be 12 centimeter. Students, let's discuss exercise 13.3. Third sum. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug, and earth from digging is evenly spread out, form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Actually, here we are making a cuboid platform by using digging mud from well. The height of the well and diameter is given. Okay, the height of the well 20 meter and the diameter is 7 meter, so the radius is 3.5, or we can take 7 by 2 meter. At the same time, the cuboid dimensions given. Okay, so 22 meter and 14 meter length and breadth is given. We need to find out the height of cuboid platform. So already we know that the volume of well is equal to the volume of cuboidal platform. Okay, so let height of the platform be h. So we know that the volume of soil from well, okay, equal to the volume of soil used to make platform. So volume of soil from well. So we know that the volume of well is pi r square h, because that is cylinder shape. And volume of soil used to make a platform, that is a cuboidal. We know that length, breadth into height, L into B into H, or area of platform into height of platform. Area of platform is length into breadth. Then substitute the value. R is 7 by 2 and the area of the platform 22 into 14. And the next, except H, remaining all the values transposed to left hand side. So that means 22 by 7 into 49 by 4, and 22 and 14, if you transpose to left hand side, 22 into 14. Then after simplification you will be get the answer as 2.5 meter. So the height of the platform will be 2.5 meter. Students, let us discuss exercise 13.3. Fourth sum. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around in the shape of circular ring of width 4 meter to form a embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Actually, this diagram is given question. Okay, actually here we made embankment by using the mud we dig from the well. Okay, actually here given the width of the embankment is 4 meter. We need to find out the height of the embankment. So let's take the height of the embankment be h2 and h1 be the height of the well, and the radius of the well is 1.5 meter. Actually here given the diameter is 3 meter, so the radius of the well is 1.5 meter. So r1 and we need to find out the radius of this embankment. Okay, so from the center, because it is looking like a cylinder shape, so from the center we can take the radius as r2. Okay, so this is 4 meter and this radius is 1.5 meter, so totally 5.5 meter or 11 by 2 meter. Okay, but actually here we know that the volume of embankment is equal to the volume of soil dug from the well. Okay, so here we need to find out the height of the embankment. So see this embankment is looking like a hollow cylinder. So we know the formula for the cylinder by r square h. Okay, and how to find out the volume of hollow cylinder? That is very easy. Subtract that r2 minus r1 by into r2 square minus r1 square is 1.5. Okay, r2 square minus r1 square, or volume of cylinder minus volume of this center part. Okay, center part of the cylinder. So here we know that the volume of solid duct from well is equal to volume of earth used to form an embankment. So the embankment is looking like a hollow cylinder. So the formula for the hollow cylinder is pi r2 square minus r1 square into h2. Okay, so hollow part, the center point, the center volume we need to eliminate from the total volume. So we know the radius, height, everything. Substitute in this formula. Okay, so finally will be get 9 by 14. 9 by 4 into 14 equal to 112 by 4 into h. So in this next step, h alone keep it right hand side. The remaining all the values transposed to left hand side. So finally will be get 1.125 meter. Therefore, the height of the embankment will be 1.125 meter.